Hey guys, it's Southern CSX vlog here in Newberry, South Carolina. Today is August 11th for the 12th, 2023. I just got out here just in time for CSX. What the frick? Symbol on this train is CSX L644. That train originates from Newberry, South Carolina. Greenwood, South Carolina makes its way to Cayce, South Carolina. I only had 3 engines, but 4 Autoracks. That's kind of weird. I feel like they're getting shorter and shorter as the time goes by. All on this day of August 12th, 2023 on Southern CSX Vlog YouTube.